हेलो बच्चों, आज हम एक्सरसाइज 5.1 स्टार्ट करेंगे। 5.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 पार्ट फर्स्ट। द टैक्सी फेयर आफ्टर ईच किलोमीटर व्हेन द फेयर इज ₹15 फॉर द फर्स्ट किलोमीटर एंड ₹8 फॉर ईच एडिशनल किलोमीटर। इसका मतलब क्या है कि एक टैक्सी का जो किराया है वो स्टार्टिंग में जो है वो 15 रुपये फिक्स है, लेकिन उसके बाद हर 1 किलोमीटर पे 8 रुपये वो बढ़ जाता है। मीन्स फेयर फॉर फर्स्ट किलोमीटर ₹15। फेयर फॉर दिस इज A1। फेयर फॉर सेकेंड 2 किलोमीटर यानी कि दिस इज A2। 15 plus 8, this is ₹23. A3 equal to fare for third kilometer 23 plus 8 becomes ₹31. A4 fare for fourth kilometer 31 plus 8 39. Means the AP or series is 15, 23, 31, 39. Each next term is obtained by adding this 8 to the previous term. So this is called an AP. Move to part second. The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Means V1 is V and V2 is V minus 1/4 of V. जब एक बार पंप मारते हैं ना सिलेंडर पे, उसकी 1/4 जो है वो एयर निकल जाती है। तो V2 जो वॉल्यूम सिलेंडर के अंदर रहेगा वो प्रीवियस वॉल्यूम माइनस जो एयर निकल गई, दिस इज 3V/4। V3 अगेन 3V/4 माइनस 1/4 ऑफ 3V/4 and this becomes 9V/16. So this is V1, V2, V3, or we say this is A1, this is A2 and this is A3. So D1 A2 minus A1 and this is 3V/4 minus V/4. Again D2 V3 और A3 minus A2. A3 is 9V/16. 9V/16 minus A2 is 3V/4. Now take LCM. 9V minus 4 4 जा 4 3 जा 12 V minus 3V/16. From here D1 is not equal to D2. D1 is not equal to D2. So the AP obtained from this word problem is not an AP because the common difference is not same. So move to the next part. The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging when it costs ₹150 for the first meter and rises by 50 Here again A is 150, and after every meter the difference or the term adding, that is D, rupees 50. So A is 150 and D is 50. Again for first kilometer, second kilometer, third, 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter or 4 meter. For first meter is 150. For second 150 plus 50, 200. For third 200 plus 15, 250. Again 250 plus 15. So this is an AP. Move to part 4. The amount of money in the account every year. So principal for this is 10,000. Is deposited at a compound interest and rate percentage 8% per annum. Per annum. We have to find the amount in the account every year. So how can we calculate the amount? Formula for calculating amount for compound interest. This is P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to power T. P is 10,000. 1 plus rate is 8 upon 100 and time 4. If we have to find A1, then T is equal to 1. For A1, T is equal to 1. Then we find 10,000 into 1 plus this can be divided. (27 upon 25). Now when we divide this by this, 2047 ja 28, 42 ja 8 plus 2 10. Again A2. For A2 we take this time. This time is equal to 2. For A2 T is 2, means 10,000 into 27 upon 25 into 27 upon 25. If 1 is 27 upon 2, if taking power 2, this is this into this. Now again if we multiply this, divide 400 by 25, we find 16. And when this multiply this, what we find? 11,664. So this is A1. This principal should be A1. This is the starting amount, and this is A2, and this is A3. From here we conclude that A2 minus A1 mean 10,800 minus 10,000. This is D1 and this is rupees 800. rupees 800. Now D2, 64 minus 100. The difference between this 4, 6, 16 minus 8, 8 rupees. This is D1 and this is D2. So D1 is not equal to D2. When D1 is not equal to D2, when their common difference is not same, so this is the amount formed by this. When we calculate the compound interest, the series formed is not an AP. Move to question number 2. Question number 2. Write for first 4 terms of AP. When the first term A, first part A equal to 10 and D equal to 10, we have to find first 4 terms. A1 10, A2 A1 plus D, this is 10 plus 10 20, A3 again A2 plus D. According to definition, the next term obtained by adding the common difference to the previous term. 20 plus 10 30. A4 A3 plus D, 30 plus 10 40. A5 A4 plus D mean 30 plus 10 equal to, sorry, this is 40. A4 is 40, 40 plus 10 50. One more question, fourth part. A is minus 1 and D is 1 by 2. Now from this is A1 minus 1. We have to find the next 4 terms. Next 4 terms mean A2, A3, A4 or A5. A2 A1 plus D minus 1 plus 1 by 2. This is minus 1 by 2. Again A3 A2 plus D mean minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. This becomes 0. Again A4 A3 plus D mean 0 plus 1 by 2 1 by 2. A5 A4 plus D mean 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. This becomes 1. Similarly, we can find the other parts also. Move to question number 3rd. This is question number 2. Exercise 5.1. For the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. Here I have done only 2 parts for you. First part, the AP is 3 1 minus 1 minus 3. So D1 1 यानी कि A2 minus A1 means 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. D2 A3 minus A2 mean minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. D3 A4 minus A3 minus 3 minus minus 1 minus 3 plus 1 minus minus plus minus 2. Here d1 is equal to d2 is equal to d3. Sorry. In this question, we need to find the first term and common difference. And this is the common difference. This is the common difference. For this, we not need to do this part. So, A1 is 3 and D is minus 2. Now move to part 4th. 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 and 3.9. This AP is given, so A1 or A first term is 0.6. This first term is the A1 first term, and the D1 is or D A2 minus A1. 1.7 minus 0.6 means 0.7. This is the fourth part. In the same way, we have to do the all other parts. Move to question number 4. Question number 4. Which of the following are APs? First, we have to explain whether these given series are AP or not. I have done same question in question number 3, first part. We have seen that if they form an AP, find the common difference D and write the 3 more terms. I have done 3 questions out of 15, 3 or 4 parts for you. Part first. 2, 4, 8, 16. 2, 4, 8, 16. D1, 4 minus 2, 2. D2, 8 minus 4, this is 4. And D3, 16 minus 8, 8. 2, 4 and 8 means D1 is not equal to D2 is not equal to D3. So this is not AP. This is not an AP. Similarly, part 7th. Part 7th, 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12. D1, minus 4 minus 0 mean minus 4. D2, minus 8 minus minus 4, minus 8 plus 4, minus 4. And D3, minus 12 minus minus 8 equal to minus 12 minus minus plus 8 equal to minus 4. So D1 is equal to D2 is equal to D3. So this series is AP. This series is AP. For this, the common difference D is minus 4. And we have write the 3 more terms, mean A1, A2, A3, A4. We have to find A5, A5, because Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are given in this part. Next 3 terms mean A5, A6 and A7. A5 is A4 plus D. What is A4? 1, 2, 3, 4. A4 is minus 12 plus D. D is minus 4. Minus 12 minus 4 means minus 16. Again A6, A5 plus D. A5 is minus 16 plus minus 4. Again minus 16 minus 4 minus 20. A7 is minus 20 plus same D is minus 4 minus 20 minus 4 minus 24. This is A6. A7 is A6 plus D. A6 plus D, and minus 20 plus minus 4 minus 24. One the most important question of this 12th part. Root 2, root 8, root 8, root 18, root 32. First we have to decide whether this series is AP or not. Now we can factorize this. Root 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 2, 4 into 4 into 2. This becomes root 2. This 2 comes outside from the root, and this becomes 2 root 2. This 3 comes outside. This becomes 3 root 2, and this becomes 4 root 2. Now D1, 2 root 2 minus root 2, this is root 2, A2 minus A1. Again D2, 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2, it becomes root 2. Again D3, 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2, root 2. So this D1, D2 and D3, root 2, root 2, root 2, all becomes equal. D1 equal to D2 equal to D3 equal to root 2. If this is an AP, this given series becomes AP, then we have to find the next 3 terms. Mean 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to find A5, A4 plus D. A4 is root 32. D is root 2. This becomes 4 root 2. This is 4 root 2. 4 root 2 plus root 2. 4 root 2 plus root 2 becomes 5 root 2. This considered 1. This 4 into this 4 plus 1, 5. And this 1 becomes 1, or root 2 becomes root 2. Or we have to take root 2 as common. Then 4 plus 1, 5. 5 into root 2, root 5 root 2. Then A6. A6 means A5 plus D. D means root 2 This becomes 6 root 2. Again A7, 6 root 2. And A6 plus D, 6 root 2 plus root 2 means 7 root 2. Other part you have to do yourself in the same way. CBSE asked one question for 1 mark from this exercise, and that can be MCQ